If you're suffering from wrist pain, let me break down this wrist brace for you. Now, I was gifted this for a review. Now, I only accepted this because this is one well-loved, well-reviewed wrist brace, and I really need one. So let me show you all the details. Now, this isn't any old wrist brace. This is a copper-lined wrist brace that has been fully doctor developed, and you can wear this on your right or left wrist. It even is recognized as a medical device. And these two doctors co-founded this brand specifically to help with non-invasive and effective products for joint pain. So that is the whole focus of this brand and the products they make. It comes with simple instructions and a full handbook. The handbook talks a lot about the brand, but it also helps teach you what's going on and all the ways you can help treat joint pain. So if you want to really understand what you're dealing with, I really appreciate that they give you this full book that goes into so much detail and lets you see all the possible causes and even provides exercises to help strengthen your wrist. Now let's look at the brace itself. This is mostly neoprene and copper nylon, and you can wash this, which is really nice. All of it will attach to this Velcro, which gives you ultimate control over how tight you make it. Really a nice element. And you can see inside here that this is a soft cushioned material. That's the neoprene. And that is really, really nice to see. And this right here is more Velcro to give it 2 points of attachment to really connect it to your wrist. Now to put it on, just put your thumb through the thumb hole, and then you'll just grab the length of it and pull it around, which is a little hard at the angle I'm in for the camera, but it really does just go on like that. And you can see this back circle right here. I do want to make sure that connects, and then I can just keep wrapping. And I can wrap it as tight or as loose as I want. Now that feels so good. I definitely feel like I can type or work away with this on, and I can make it tighter or looser as I need to. Really, really supportive. I can feel it bracing my wrist and just giving me exactly what I need. Now to put it on your left hand, it's just going on backwards. So put your thumb through the slot, but now this is on this side of your hand. So you're wrapping to your palm first, get that first piece of Velcro to hook on, and then just wrap. Now it's much easier to put this on if you're not doing it for camera. Right now I am trying to add these with a camera in my face, which does make it harder, but it feels really good. Again, same support, really nice all around. I definitely can work at my computer and now have this wrist protected, so I could get two if I need them, but I will be wearing it on this wrist as that is where I need it. This wrist brace may look simple, but it is exceptionally effective, and that is what I want to see. And I will definitely be wearing this copper-lined wrist brace as I work at my computer.